All right, this exercise is called a standing hip flexion liftoff. What we're gonna do is you're gonna try to place one hip against the pole or the middle of a doorway. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna balance yourself so that our hip again is touching that side of support. We're gonna passively use our opposite hand here and we're gonna lift this knee up towards our chest. We wanna make sure that our ankles are pointed up or our toes are pointing up. We don't want to extend the knee or lean forward. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna drive and lift up that knee up towards our chest. And you wanna squeeze and engage your core. We wanna make sure our back is flat. You're gonna lift this up as high as you can. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna release that knee. Try to keep that knee up at the same height. Hold this arm out, making a fist here. Hold for the prescribed amount of time. After that repetition's done, after 3 to 5 seconds, we're gonna lift that knee up even higher. You're gonna let go and hold for another 5 seconds or whatever the prescribed amount of time is. Hold, grab again, lift up even higher, and try to repeat and hold up that leg.